Hello everyone. Hope you all are doing well. Welcome to Krishna Flute Academy YouTube channel. Today in this video, I want to discuss with you regarding the time signature of music. Here we will cover the more and more useful time signatures what we are using in day-to-day practice and plays. Okay? आप सबको कृष्णा फ्लूट एकेडमी में स्वागत है। अगर आप लोग मेरा वीडियो कंसिस्टेंटली देख रहे हो और जान रहे हो, आपको पता है कि हम लोग रिसेंटली लॉन्च किया है krishnafluteacademy.com एक वेबसाइट। इधर मैं कोशिश करता हूँ कि ब्लॉग पोस्ट करने के लिए, तो यू विल फाइंड देयर इज़ a blog inside it which is time signatures. I have explained entire this almost everything in this in that blog. मैंने सब ब्लॉग इसमें सब कुछ देने की कोशिश किया है। ठीक है, आई होप आप लोग इसको गो थ्रू कर लेंगे। मैं इसका लिंक इसका डिस्क्रिप्शन में या ऊपर में दे दूंगा। नाउ लेट्स बिगिन, लेट्स अंडरस्टैंड द टाइम सिग्नेचर। ओके, time signature is coming from the western part, okay, western music. So it will be, you may know that 2 by 4, 3 by 4, 4 by 4. So it is nothing like that. It is a bar. See, let's understand the 4 by 4. हम लोग पहले जानते हैं 4 by 4 रिदम को। 4 by 4 में 4 बार है, 1 2 3 4, हर बार में 4 बीट है, 4 beats. So it is 4 by 4 structure. Okay, now 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4. This is the way of 4 by 4. Okay, now in metronome you can use to play the metronome. तो metronome में मैं सेट किया है ऑलरेडी, तो it will show like 1 2 3 4 and you fix your BPM. It will sound like 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4. It's very easy. It is 4 by 4. Now if I am what is the example, क्या है example इंडियन रिदम और इधर हम लोग जो यूज़ करते हैं, एक तो है केहरवा, एक है अपना तीन ताल. So we can use 8 beat, 16 beat is coming under this category of 4 by 4. But if you see the drums, dik dik chak tik 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 chak tik, this is the beats are going. Okay, you can go through the YouTube, many videos or drums are there. You can just search it, how does it sound. Okay, now let me move on to the 3 by 4 section. 1 2 3, 1 2 3, 1 2 3, 1 2 3. Like this way it is coming. 1 2 3, 1 2 3, 1 2 3, 1 2 3. So that is 3 by 4. Now, is there any 2 by 4? Acha, okay, I missed. The 3 by 4 is called waltz, WALTZ. That is a very popular rhythm in Western drums. Okay, dik chik chik dik chik chik dik. Many of Bollywood songs you might have heard in this 3 by 4. बहुत सारे आप बॉलीवुड गाने सुने होंगे in this 3 by 4 rhythm, like दिक चिक चिक दिक, लग जा गले के फिर ये हंसी डिंग डिंग डिंग, पिया बोले पियो बोले. It is in 3 by 4. Many people used to call it Dadra. Dadra is Indian way. It is dha dhina natina, dha dhina natina. But there is some debate we can, because why Dadra is particularly not coming under 3 by 4 and why we can call it. So it is a conceptions is little bit debatable. Why? Dadra is 1 2 3, 1 2 3. It is fine. It will fall under the 3 by 4 category. But exactly 1 2 3 4 5 6. The Dadra has a 6 beats. Dha dhina na tina. So the debate can start from here. Okay, I am not going in that category. Let me complete the time signature. So 4 by 4 is Keherwa and Teen Tal, and 3 by 4 is specifically we are using in Dadra. Dha dhina na tina. Now we will go to the 2 by 4. 2 by 4, you may observe that this kind of rhythm 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2. Dik chak dik chak dik chak dik chak. Only guitar will be up and down. Dik chick dik chick dik chick ding jing chick 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 jing chick. So this is coming under 2x4 category. So we can do this in the 4x4, but it is not fully 4x4. But as I told you, if you need to listen this guitar pattern or the drums pattern, then you will identify how it is different 2x4 to 4x4. अगर आप सुनेंगे तब आपको पता चलेगा. अगर ये आप मेट्रोनोम में सेट करके आपको सुनिए इसका बीट कैसे जाता है. तो अभी तो गया 2x4, 3x4, 4x4. So in these things is over. If we go little more complicated, which is 5x4. 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 5. So this 1 2 3 4 5, this pattern can be called in Indian way is called jhap tal. 1 2 1 2 3. If we split it, then it will be a pattern. Otherwise, very difficult to remember. 1 2 1 2 3. It is easy to remember. See, it is difficult. Now I am just placing the metronome section little to 1 2. Then it is coming the 5. Okay, this is called jhap tal. There are so many other tals also completing this 5 category, but mostly popular is jhap tal. Okay, 1 2 1 2 3 1 2 1 2 3. Okay, now let me go to the next, which is 6x8. Now we'll observe why it is 6x8. Now 3x4 already we have covered, like 1 2 3 1 2 3. If I make it double, 3 into 2 4 into 2, it is coming the 6x8. Is it? No, there is a little debate in this section. 6x8 sound, this is the 6x8 pattern. If you are going through the drum beats, then you will find out this kind of section is there. This is 6x8. Now like ना जाने कोई कैसी है ये जिंदगी चिक चक चिक चिक झिंग चिक चिक चक चिक चिक da. So if you have observed how it is different, लग जा गले, it is completely different. So there is no meaning like that 3x4 can be doubled to 6x8. It is debatable. And if you see, many people used to call Dadra as 3x4. Yes, then I told you it can come to the ये 6x8 में जा सकते हैं. Like 1 2 3 1 2 3. Still it is a debatable. Those are distinctly rhythms are what is there. Indian rhythm and Western rhythm, matching it is very difficult. But because इन हम लोगों के पास इतना वैराइटीज है, वी हैव द वैराइटीज ऑफ साउंड, सो उसी को उसी फ्रेम में ढालना थोड़ा मुश्किल हो जाता है. ठीक है, तो लेट मी अंडरस्टैंड 6x8. तो 6x8 वी हैव कवर्ड दिक चिक चिक तक चिक चिक दिक चिक चिक तक चिक चिक. दिस इज कॉल्ड 6x8. नाउ 7x8. Now 7x8 is a very important category in our Indian tal. So in this category, if you observe how the 7 beat is working, I am placing the metronome. This is the 7x8. Now if I place okay, I forgot to mention 5x4 how you place in metronome. So as I told, it is jhap tal. Now listen. One, two, three, 1 2 1 2 3 1 2. Now 7x8. 7x8 tal is Rupak tal. It is very popular tal. धी धी ना धी ना धी ना ती ती ना ती ना ती ना धी धी na धी na धी na ती ती na ती na ती na. In this frame category, it can go like 1 2 3 1 2 1 2 1 2 3 1 2 1 2. I am placing the metronome in this way so that you can listen. 1 2 3 1 2 1 2 1 2 3 1 2 1 2 1 2 3 1 2 1 2. So this is called Rupak Tal. Like I have covered this entirely. Now again, one very important tal we it is there, which is called Deep Chandi Tal. This is 14-beat tal. 1 2 3 1 2 1 2 1 2 3 1 1 2 1. Like this way it will go. So आप लोग ये दीप चंडी ताल के ऊपर थोड़ा रिसर्च करें, थोड़ा आइडेंटिफाई करें, इसके ऊपर सुने एंड प्रैक्टिस।